Kevin Durant's Nike KD6 is making a comeback, and Nike basketball is starting strong by bringing back one of the most iconic colorways ever created. The KD6 Ant Pearl is confirmed to be part of the model's first ever retro run, instantly raising excitement among longtime fans and sneaker collectors. Originally released on February 27, 2014, this pair stood out as the boldest design in the KD lineup. The upper features an all-pink floral pattern layered beneath visible Flywire cables, creating a look that was impossible to ignore. Blue accents appear on the forefoot swoosh and the KD logo on the heel, adding contrast to the soft pink base. The floral theme continues inside the shoe, while a clean white midsole sits above a pink translucent gum outsole. This design perfectly captures the early 2010s Nike basketball era. The Nike KD6 Ant Pearl Retro is expected to release during holiday 2026, with more details coming.